diminished chord or minor chord, minor seventh flat D. Is that possible to use? Very easy.
Everything is easy.
Everything is easy for you.
This is major. This is minor. This is diminished. Minor, minor 7.
Okay, I think we should let Vitaly play one last song because the value is going to